Welcome to this walkthrough of Cleo Integration Cloud's PDF digitization capabilities. Here we're looking at the PDF capture screen. Behind the scenes, this represents a live working environment where automated mapping rules are triggered whenever a PDF is received inbound. Cleo applies AI-driven mapping intelligence to understand what's inside each incoming PDF and convert that information into structured data that can be sent directly to the destination system. For example, order processes can be automated and routed directly into an ERP system. Invoice processes can be automated in the same way and sent directly into a finance application. Let's walk through how that works. Here, you can see a list of records. We'll start by opening one that was successfully exported. This source file is an example of an inbound order that came in as a PDF. Cleo reads the document, identifies the values and details inside it, organizes that information into the right components, and transforms the data for the destination system. If image recognition is needed, Cleo can support that as well. The goal is to help your business achieve the highest level of integration accuracy possible. Here, you can see the full details of the document, including all of the captured field values. Once that information is captured, it flows through Cleo Integration Cloud, also referred to as CIC. This view is the CIC cockpit, which serves as the primary visibility layer. It allows teams to monitor what's happening across the supply chain in real time. The inbound order we just looked at appears here as an inbound purchase order. It becomes part of the broader end-to-end order process. That's important because PDF orders do not have to sit outside your standard workflow. They can become a natural extension of the same process used for API orders, EDI orders, punch-out orders, and other order channels your business relies on. A PDF order processed through Cleo Integration Cloud is broken into its relevant components, with detailed metadata available for review. From there, the order is transformed and sent directly to the back-end system of record, helping automate order creation from end to end. The overall process is straightforward. The goal is to keep teams from manually touching every transaction each time a PDF comes in. Instead of relying on manual intervention, swivel chair work, and disconnected processes, teams can focus only on the transactions that need attention, like ones with exceptions. You can see a few examples here in a suspended state. A suspended status means exceptions were found during processing. Cleo surfaces these exceptions for review and labels them by issue type, such as future date, lookup failed, or zero value document. When an exception occurs, the process is paused, so incorrect values or bad orders are not pushed into the ERP and create downstream issues. Instead, the document is held in a suspended state, so the team can review it, correct the issue, and then keep the process moving. When a failure occurs, the platform surfaces the original document along with a breakdown view that shows exactly which validations failed. These could be lookup failures, validation errors, or required fields that are missing. Below that, editable fields are available so users can make corrections directly in the interface. Red asterisks indicate required fields. In this example, the buyer address and country code were blank. Those values can be added directly in the form, and edits can be made in real time. Fields like branch code and connection code can also be updated here. These are lookup values that need to be configured correctly for the transaction to process successfully. This gives teams a simple way to correct data, resolve failed lookups or cross-references, and control how validations are handled. If there are certain validations you want to skip for specific transactions, that level of control is available as well. Once the fixes are applied, the user simply saves and submits the document. Cleo then reprocesses it automatically using the updated values. A complete history is maintained throughout the process, including which users made changes and which values were updated. This same experience applies to different types of inbound PDF processes, including orders, invoices, and other document types. They are processed through Cleo Integration Cloud and surfaced in a consistent view. Metadata is captured for each document, making transactions searchable, and supporting capabilities like anomaly detection, supply chain management, and supply chain orchestration. By integrating these processes directly with your back-end systems, Cleo minimizes manual intervention across inbound PDF transactions, so teams spend less time handling every document and more time focusing only on the exceptions that require attention. The result is greater accuracy, fewer manual tasks, and more efficient operations. To learn more, contact us today at sales@clio.com.